This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 when it says no signal. First, check that your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your console and your television, ensuring a snug fit. Make sure you are on the correct input channel, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, on your TV remote and try cycling through them. A simple check of these fundamental connections can often quickly resolve the no signal issue. If connections seem fine, next carefully inspect your HDMI cable for any visible damage, such as bends or frayed wires. Try using a different, known good HDMI cable if available. This is a common point of failure. Also, look closely at the HDMI port on your PlayStation 5 for bent pins or debris, as these can disrupt the signal. Replacing a faulty cable is often a straightforward solution. When basic checks do not help, try booting your PlayStation 5 into safe mode. To do this, press and hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep, then connect your controller. Select Change Video Output and choose a lower resolution, such as 480p or 720p. This can often get a display working, allowing you to then adjust settings normally. If safe mode does not resolve the issue, consider updating your console's system software via USB, following official PlayStation instructions. You might also try connecting your PlayStation 5 to a different television or monitor to rule out a display problem. Should these steps fail, it is best to contact PlayStation support for further assistance and potential repair options. They can provide specialized guidance for complex problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.